Welcome. If you've ever gone live on Facebook and later struggled to find those videos again, you're not alone. With the latest Facebook update, things have moved around a bit, but don't worry. Finding all your past live videos is still simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Facebook on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you hosted your live videos. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a small menu with several options. From that menu, go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Now, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything you've done on your account, including posts, interactions, and yes, your live videos. Once you're inside the activity log, look for a section labeled something like Your Live Videos. Depending on the layout, you may need to scroll a little or check the filters on the side to find it. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the live videos you've streamed from your account. From here, you can easily view, manage, or even delete your past live sessions. It's a great way to revisit old content, download important broadcasts, or clean up your profile if needed. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find all your live videos using the updated Facebook layout on PC. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If this helped you out, make sure to stick around for more simple and clear guides just like this.